If you want to assess learners formatively or summatively with questions for which there are specified answers, Moodle's very powerful quiz enables you to do this. We can only look at a few of the features of the quiz in this tutorial, but it's worth exploring more yourself. Quiz allows you to use different types of questions, not just multiple choice, and it also allows you to add media such as images, video, and sound files as part of your questions. To create a quiz, we turn on the editing, and then in the section where we want the quiz, we click Add an activity or resource. This takes us to Moodle's activity chooser, and we will click on Quiz. The first thing that we do is create the front page you like for the quiz. The name and the description which quiz learners will see, and if you want the description to appear on the course page, just tick the box Display Description on Course Page. There are many different settings in a quiz, and it is worth exploring all of them. If there's anything you're not sure of, the help icon gives you extra information. For now, we're just going to click Save and Display, and we have a blank quiz. What we need to do is to start adding some questions, which we can do by clicking the button Edit Quiz or Edit Quiz from the gear menu. We then click on Add. We are then presented with a list of question types to choose from, and just like with the activity chooser, if we click the button next to the question type, we are presented on the right with some information as to what that question type does. And note that although most of these questions are questions where you provide the answer, it is possible to have learners type an essay which we would then manually have to grade. For the purposes of this quiz, we're just going to add a multiple choice question. We are then sent to the setup screen for this particular question. We have to give it a name, although the name doesn't appear in the quiz. But it's important because it's how it would be recognized in the question bank in the future, particularly if we have a lot of questions ourselves and perhaps shared with colleagues. In the question text, we type the actual question, and then when we scroll down, what we see will depend on the question type, but we will always be able to add general feedback for any question. And then in the answers, because it's multiple choice, we have the first possible answer with the grade none. We add none if the question is wrong, or 100% if it's right. However, there are, as you can see, options in between. We can give specific feedback for each individual answer, and if we want to do more than just write simple text, we can use the icons in the text editor. So again, we write our choices, choose the grade, and we continue. When we click Save Changes, we have our first quiz question, which we can preview by clicking the magnifying glass icon. We then go on and continue adding questions to our quiz. Finally, looking at a quiz that's already been made, it's easy to change the order of the questions by dragging them up or down, and to add or remove page breaks by clicking on the icon, and we can divide our quiz up into sections as well.